Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 1, subject maths, chapter number 5, numbers from 10 to 20. And this is fourth session on this chapter. Today let us solve the questions in exercise 5C. Here we have use the number line to complete the following questions. So to answer these questions, we can make use of the number line given here. Let us see what we have in question number 1. What comes just after A 12? So we should write what number comes after 12. Look at the number line here. Search for the number 12. So here we have the number 12. And just see what you have after 12. So here we have 12, and after 12 we have 13. So what we should write here? So we should write 13 in the box here. Right, 13. Come to B. Here we have 17. So now search for the number 17 on the number line. Here we have 17, and after 17 we have 18. So we should fill this box by writing 18. And what comes after 10? So after 10 the number 11 comes. So you should write 11 in this box. D 19. See here. So we have 19 here. The number after 19 is 20. So you should write 20 in this box. Question number 2. What comes just before A 15? So what comes just before 15? Look at the number line. Here we have 15, and the number 14 comes just before 15. So we should write 14 in this box. B. So what comes just before 20? So look at the number line. So here we have the number 20, and so the number just before 20 is 19. So we should write 19 in this box. C. What comes just before 16? So look at the number 16 on the number line, and the number 15 comes just before 16. So you should write 15 here. And what comes just before 13? Here you will see 13, and just before 13 you have 12. So you should write 12 in this box. Now let us move to the next question in exercise 5C. Question number 3. What comes between? Here we should write the number that comes between the given two numbers. Here we are given 15 and 17, and the number 16 comes just between 15 and 17. So between 18 and 20 the number 19 comes, and between 12 and 14 we have 13, and there will be 12 between 11 and 13. Like this you should complete this exercise by writing which number comes between the given two numbers. Coming to question number 4, write the numbers in decreasing order. So here 3 numbers are given, and we should write these 3 numbers in decreasing order. The decreasing order means writing the numbers from larger to the smallest. That means we should write the large number first. You see these box. First box is larger, and second is smaller than the first box, and third box is smaller than both second and first box. This is just to indicate we should write the larger number first and then the next smaller number than this, and the smallest number should be written in the third box. Looking at these numbers 16, 20 and 18, which is greatest among these three numbers? Yes, 20 is greatest among these three numbers. So we should write 20 in the first box here. And leaving 20, when we compare 16 and 18, so which is greater? Yes, 18 is greater. So in the second box we should write 18. And 16 will accommodate or comes to the third box. So now these given three numbers are written in decreasing order. 20, 18, 16 is a decreasing order. 20 is the greatest number and 16 is the smallest among given three numbers. Similarly in B, we have 17, 19 and 10. So among these, which is greatest? Yes, 19 is greatest. So that should be written in the first box. And after that, we should write 17. 10 is smallest, which will come to the third box. C, 11, 13, 15. So among these three numbers, 15 is greatest. So we should write that in first box, and after that 13, and in the third box 11. Question number 5. Write the numbers in increasing order. Here we should write the given numbers in increasing order. That is smallest number in the first box and the greatest number in the third box. So smallest among 11, 10 and 12 is 10. So we should write 10 in the first box. And after that 11 and in the third box 12. So 10, 11, 12. This is the increasing order of the given three numbers. B. So among these three numbers, 9 is smallest, which is a single digit number, which will come to the first box. And after that 11 and 14 in the third box. Coming to C, among 20, 17 and 19, 17 is smallest number, which comes to the first box, and 19 comes to the second box. 20 being the largest among the given three numbers comes to the third box. Like this, you have to arrange the given numbers in decreasing order in question number 4 and the given numbers in increasing order in question number 5. Question number 6. Color the circle with the smallest number yellow and the greatest number green. So color the circle with the smallest number yellow. So among these, in questions A, B, C, D, we should color the circle which is having the smallest number with yellow color, and the circle in which greatest number is, we should color that circle with green color. First let us color the circle which is having smallest number in all these questions. Let us look at the question A here. Look at these numbers 11, 6, 17, 20. Which is smallest number among these four numbers? Yes, 6 is a single digit number and it is smallest compared to 11, 17 and 20. So we should color this circle with yellow. You also using your other pencils, you have to color this circle with yellow. And coming to B, first we are coloring the circles having smallest numbers in all the four questions, and after that we will color the circles with greatest numbers. Coming to B, we have 10, 7, 15 and 0. So 0 is smallest among these four numbers, so it is colored with yellow. Coming to C, we have 18, 9, 5 and 12. So observe these numbers. So 5 is smallest, 9 is greater than 5, 12 is greater than 5, 18 is greater than 5. Therefore 5 is smallest among the four numbers, so it should be colored in yellow. Coming to D, we have 14, 13, sorry, 13 is here, 3 and 8. Compare these four numbers and we learn or we find that 3 is smallest among the four numbers. Therefore, this should be colored in yellow. So now we have to color these circles in green, looking at the number, looking at the circle containing the greatest number. So compare these three numbers here, because we have colored this circle in yellow, that means this is the smallest among four numbers. While comparing now, let us ignore this. Let us compare only these three numbers 11, 17 and 20 to know which is greatest. So 11, 20, 11, 17 and 20 compare ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 20 is greatest ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 20 ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು this should be colored in green. And comparing 10, 7, 15, 15 is greatest, therefore it should be colored in green. In C, 18, 9 and 12. Compare 18, 9 and 12. So 18 is greatest, color it in green. And D, we compare 14, 13 and 8. So 14 is greatest, color it with green color. Like this you have to color appropriately in your textbook. Question number 7. Put the correct symbol. Is greater than or is less than. Looking at these numbers, compare the numbers and put the appropriate symbol. A, 11, 20. So we know that 11 is less than 20, so we should put less than symbol here. B, 13 is greater than 10. C, 18 is less than 19. D, 15 is greater than 12. E, 17 is greater than 14. F, 16 is greater than 11. Question number 8. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. We have to write these numbers or arrange these numbers in ascending order. Ascending order means we should write the smallest number first and greatest will be at the last place. So when we arrange these numbers, 9 is smallest, it comes to the first place, and comparing these three, we should write the 11 in second place, 14 in third place and 19 in fourth place. So this is the ascending order of the given numbers. This symbol is called as is less than. Therefore 9 is less than 11, is less than 14, is less than 19. Here in B we have 15, 10, 20 and 17. Arranging these numbers in ascending order, we get 10 is less than 15, is less than 17, is less than 20. Question number 9. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means we should arrange the numbers from greatest to the smallest. So among these, the greatest number is 18. So 18 should be written first, and leaving 18, comparing these three, 16 is greatest, so that will come to the second place, and 12 comes to the third place, and 0 will be in the fourth place. On arranging these numbers in descending order, so we get 18 is greater than 16, is greater than 12, is greater than 0. So this is the descending order of the given four numbers. Coming to B, we have 13, 4, 11 and 15. So arranging these numbers in descending order, we get 15 is greater than 13, is greater than 11, is greater than 4. This is the descending order of the given numbers. So we are at the end of this chapter. Let us summarize before closing. Summary of the chapter is: when 1 is added to 9, we get 10. So on adding 1 to 9, we get 10. Each of the numbers from 10 to 20 have 2 digits. The digit on the right is in the ones place, and the digit on the left is in the tens place. So we have understood that. So in any 2-digit number, For example, 18. So 8 is towards right and 1 is towards left. Here R stands for right and L is for left. And 8 is in one's place. This is in one's place and 1 is in tens place. Tens place. So like this you should know the place names. Numbers can be represented on the number line and abacus. So we can represent the numbers on number line and abacus. We have learned both of these in this chapter. On the number line, numbers on the right of a given number are greater than that number and numbers on the left of a given number are smaller than that number. So on the number line, numbers on the right of a given number, so we have understood. So whichever number comes towards right of a given number or greater than the given number, and the numbers which are coming towards left of the given number are smaller than the given number. When numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest, it is known as increasing or ascending order. There are two names, you should remember both. Increasing order or ascending order means arranging the given numbers from smallest to the greatest. When the numbers are arranged from the greatest to the smallest, it is known as descending or decreasing or descending order. So when the numbers are arranged from smallest to the greatest, it is called as ascending or increasing order, and when the numbers are arranged from greatest to the smallest, then the arrangement is called as decreasing order or descending order. Remember these names. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned all the problems we discussed in this exercise. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye children.